You know that's right.
What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl ChinnaE coming back to you live once again with yet another one. I'm pushing them out like babies, y'all. Wah, wah. My money, pushing them out like baby money. This that baby money. This is that baby money. Pushing that baby money out like it ain't nothing, y'all. Okay, so here we go. We got cash for offers. This site here is cash for offers for you, and they got more money inside their offers for you to get if you complete those offers. They're very legit. They're non-scam. And I think they give you a free bonus like $5 or $1 for signing up with them as well. So you might want to take advantage of that. Piggy bank, get that baby money. Get that baby boomer money. And go ahead and take advantage of that offer because it is there. So put that in your arsenal as well. And have fun with this. You can complete offers. I think little stuff on their site to where they're branching off where you can play games for money as well. You can do surveys. I know they got them on there. You can do some surveys for the money as well, for the baby boomer money. And definitely just grow your piggy bank there as well. Okay, and you can also get good money in their affiliate program as well. So you go ahead and sign up, get started, jump right in. It is free to join. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to come out of pocket for much if you do the free offers. Okay, so the other paid offers, of course, they're going to pay you way more on this site for their offers than what you would put out there for the initial offer itself to be completed. You would definitely get compensated on this site way more. Okay, so go ahead, check it out, see if you like it. If you don't have to join it, but it's just something for you to see and possibly put in your arsenal in the long run. Okay, so definitely remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE out here on the YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. There's always more in store for you guys. Check me out in the next vid. Peace.
You know that's right.